this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to send an email from Freshsales. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Freshsales like you usually would. Then from here, when you're logged into your account, you need to go up to this plus icon up here. Then you should be looking something like this, where you can see your records, you can see your sales activities, and you can go down to emails. Here you'll have the option to send an email. From here you'll see this page. Here you can see you can send it to a specific recipient, and you can write in a subject. So let's say I want to send it to myself. As you can see here, you can add in for user, you can add a subject line, and here you can start typing your email, or use Freddy AI to generate it for you. You can also use templates if you want to do that, or you can create your own email template down here if you don't have a specific one. Then from here, you'll have the option to add attachment. You can add an email signature, and you can track this email. And you can also add an unsubscribe link if you want to do that into your email. Then from here, when you're done, you simply need to click send. And then you can see here, a success email has been sent. And I can also see on my Gmail that has been received. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!